Hello guys, my name is Shahid and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about how you can change the Instagram app icon. So as we know that Instagram is 10-year-old, and to celebrate its 10th birthday, Instagram allow the user to change the app icon. So how we will do it without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram application. When you open your Instagram application, go to your profile. Once you click on your profile, then click on the menu option at the top right corner. When you click on it, here you will find settings, and go to settings. And when you go to settings, just drag the page down. You can use both of your finger because you need to drag it more down till there is a celebration explosion. And when you see the celebration explosion, you will see there are many options you can use. It's classic 2, which belongs to August 2011. That was the icon at that time. As you can see, even pre-launch you will find it. And so there are like dark, light, very dark, pride, sunrise. There are many options that you can choose. Once you click on it, then you can add it to your, so that is how you can change your Instagram icon. So that is how you can change your Instagram icon. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more informative videos. I will see you in the next videos. Please take care. Bye bye.